Hey guys, my name's Lloyd and I'm going to teach you, yes you, how to kick flip. Okay, the basic foot positioning. Your front foot wants to be a little bit behind the box, like that, and your back foot wants to be right on the prop, like that, and a little bit of a, kind of, put your heel up a bit, like that. So now what you want to do is you want to pop the board, stand your front foot up, and then flick it off at the concave. And then your back foot wants to jump up as high as it can go, and then it's going to flip around, and then you're going to try to catch it with your back foot, or your front foot. So it should look like this.